what's up guys? So today we are exploring an area called Roman Nose. It's around, it's actually on the northwest side of Sandpoint, Idaho. And the conditions here, we had some snow, it was a little overcast, and we weren't doing anything extreme today, but we were heading up this Forest Service road that had a ton of fresh powder on it. So just real fast riding through here, through these trees, and just had a good time. Our whole goal here today was just to go out, explore this area, have some lunch, and just have a good day. So I think if you watch this, you'll see that that's what we accomplished. Weehaw! A little wheelie off that, or whatever you want to call it, ski.
Ladies and gentlemen, is why we snowbike. Woo! Yeah, that's right. So we got to the end of the trail here. We could have kept going, but it was like crazy, like we're fighting through all this stuff here. Oh, it's beautiful. And we just decided, you know what? We're kind of hungry. We're gonna whip out the stove, little mountain house. What you got there? What you cooking?
I got some mountain house chili mac.
Chili mac. And I dug in my pack here, giant loot by the way. Chili mac with beef from Wise Company. So we're gonna do a little taste test. See whose we like best. But this is living right here. This is, where are we? This is Sandpoint living? We're like Bonner's Ferry almost.
Almost Canada.
Yeah. Tell you what, if you haven't ever experienced this, you haven't ever really lived.
That's right.
So good. Good powder.
Yeah, baby.
Bridge. So after this bridge here, we found this nice open area, and this drop right here, it's not that steep, but the powder there was 3 or 4 feet thick, so it was pretty awesome to fall into a pillow. Thanks for checking out this short video. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more backcountry adventures, and hit that bell icon so you get notified when new videos are released every week. Thanks again for watching. This is Kyle from Backcountry Adventure Motorsports, and I'm out.